Namaste. Today is December 2nd, 2021. The following are the important articles that you have to read for competitive exams, both state and central. To start, Omicron scare grounds international flight plan. Informative. Government's policy to tackle the new variant that has emerged out of SARS-CoV-2. This is not only in regards to Indian concerns but also global concerns. From that perspective, we are going to read this article. Moving on to economy, GST collections surge in November. Remember, GST collections are a way or a marker in identifying or recognizing the economic recovery of our country. In that regard, these numbers, though they don't have much of a significance in terms of exam perspective, but these fluctuations and variations are always an indicators as to how the economy is performing. From that perspective, you have to read this article. That is important. And coming to page number 3, GIFT Gift City emerging as India's first greenfield city. So there are two bits of information in this article. What are greenfield cities and why Gift City in Gandhinagar is being touted as the first greenfield city in our country. So you have to understand the terms, the schemes around this idea of a greenfield city in our country. Coming to page number 5 states, butterfly species record increase. So we are seeing an increase of 156 species being recorded in a wildlife division in a 4-day exercise. So you have to read about the IUCAN status of butterflies. Are there any endangered butterflies that are endemic to India? From that perspective, environmentally, this article becomes important. So please try to read this in that regards. Coming to page number 6 editorial, the first article is Road to Recovery. This is in regards to the demand supportive measures that we need to inculcate and we need to adopt and we need to formulate in order to see a firm economic recovery both from the perspectives of a GDP and GVA. So this article talks about that. Economy related, particularly in the backdrop of COVID-19 and the subsequent economic crumble that India has been experiencing for the last few years. On top of that, any information in regards to economy or economic policy or economic reforms is always going to be a point of importance for us. Now moving on, in border standoff, a manufactured refugee crisis. So this might not be that important for your competitive exams, but being aware of this current crisis that is brewing in European Union, particularly in regards to refugees from that are emanating from other countries because of their respective issues, this bit of information or this bit of news of refugee crisis in the European Union is of utmost importance. They might not ask a question as such, but something along those lines will be touched upon. So we have to be prepared for any kind of questions. Coming to op-ed, errors of judgment. This is in regards to recent Allahabad High Court on POCSO. So there has been some discrepancies in terms of high courts and various high courts. There have been differences of judgments in regards to POCSO Act. So there is a discussion that is happening not only in civil society but also in judiciary in regards to what should be the correct way moving forward in dealing with cases that are related to POCSO Act. So this is very important. You shouldn't skip this. If possible, go back in time, in the sense that go back and understand the reasoning, the case, and everything in regards to that. Why the opposition we are seeing in regards to the Allahabad judgment. That becomes important. So moving on to page number 8. 1160 elephants killed in a decade. This is a very important article. This is going to play an important role in environment and animal conservation, particularly in regards to human and animal conflict, particularly development growth against environment and protection of animal. Not only that, animal rights also come into play here. The data is also important, but not that important that you have to remember it forever. Just be aware of the nuances of this article, and it will help you in supporting your answer in the future. Moving on, winter in northern India to be warmer than normal, IMD. So why are they saying that? Is there any relation to global warming, or is this an unspecified, unrelated weather event to global warming? So from that perspective, we read this article. Coming to page number 9, bill to regulate IVF clinics passed in Lok Sabha. IVF is intravenous fertilization. There has been a lot of discussion in regards to fertilization, surrogacy, and hospitals or procedures that relate to childbirth, and these kinds of things will always have some place in UPSC and other state services examinations also. That is why we are going to give it due respect and be aware of what are the propositions in this bill and how this bill is different from existing norms, rules, and policies, and is that for better or for worse. That should be our approach. PSR legislative summary is always a good place to start in regards to bills that are being passed in Parliament. Moving on to page number 10. Tighter curbs prove costly for flyers. Again, this is in regards to the Omicron variant. That is how you go about this article. Now, this is something important. India joins G20's TRIOCA with Indonesia and Italy. What is this TRIOCA? What are the goals for it? From that perspective, very important. Curriculum must include wisdom of Vedas panel. What is the standing committee report? How significant it is? Why they are suggesting that Vedas must be added to curriculum. More data on jabs for children SART. This is in regards to vaccination of children who are below age groups of 18 and 16. Informative exam perspective, not that important. Ensure code of ethics is followed on social media. Despite tampering down of information or news regarding to ethics that social media platforms should follow, this is again very important. Please be aware of what is taking place on social media and the government rules on code of ethics in regards to social media. SC pushes for council on judicial infrastructure. So what is judicial infrastructure? Why SC is pushing on judicial infrastructure? Get an understanding. That is how that article is important. Coming to world, page number 11, vulnerable should put off travel, WHO. So this is WHO guidelines. Don't get diverted by the fact that every guideline of WHO has some sort of a meaning. They have been pretty inconsistent when it comes to response to the current crisis that we are facing, but nonetheless WHO is the world premier health organization. From that perspective, go about this article. EU plans 300 billion infra fund to counter China's BRI. So this is European Union strategy to counter the economic and debt trap policy of China, that is Belt and Road Initiative. Very significant in terms of IR. Let us see what are the nuances of this program, and let us wait for more information. As of now, be aware that the European Union is following a plan to counter China's BRI. Now moving on, China is trying to drive Australia to its knees, US. So how China is trying to do it? Why US recognition of this is always a recognition of this by US is important. This comes in the backdrop of AUKUS, the nuclear deal between US, Britain, and Australia. So, from that context, read this article. Now, coming to page number 12, business, manufacturing PMI signals November output growth at 9-month high. So, what is manufacturing PMI? From that perspective, read this article. Export dip, widening trade deficit to a record 23.27 million. Again, this is in regards to economy, our export, our manufacturing status. From that perspective, read this article. India-China trade deficit was 30 billion in April, September. So this is again how our exports are doing and how much we are importing from China given the current scenario or situation between both of our countries. Cyber attacks hit 26,000 Indian sites in 10 months. This is very important. Please do a complete analysis of cybersecurity of Indian infrastructure. particularly how Indian IT infrastructure is vulnerable and susceptible to cybersecurity attacks or cyber threats. Very important. Now, moving on. The final article for today is from Text and Context. The article is Examining the Federal Nature of the Central Bureau of Investigation. Please read this. There might be a question in regards to independence of central organizations in our country. Thank you. Namaste.